Welcome to Epicor Clip's ERP End of Month Report Series. This presentation covers the Product Orders report. This shows all products ordered for a period specified, also stock, non-stock, bids, and open orders. This duplicates pretty much the same functionality of the Product Sales report in many ways, although it does add you some filtering for open orders and bids. This particular report is a little bit more complex than a lot of the other end-of-month reports, which are simpler and mostly useless. This report does actually do something, although, as I said, it does duplicate much of the features of the product sales report, which I actually do use much more often. But this one does provide a summary and detail report, bill to, ship to, sorting by customers and salesmen. And as I said, the biggest difference I can see between this and the product sales report, which I use most of the time, is this ability to report on bids and open orders. So you could use it exclusively for looking at those things. It might be helpful. I actually went through the trouble of showing you a lot of the options that you can use in this report, including the additional selection criteria, although not all 45 selections. That would be time consuming. Although our example report here, we're not really going to use any of that. This is just going to be a simple report for 1 month, sorted by customer, including the non-stocks, credits, and open orders, but excluding bids. And we're going to show a summary report in this case. And here's our example summary report. I've never had any particular use for creating a report that's just showing me sales information on entire or specific just price line level. Normally I want to see the entire product or all the products in a price line. But you know, here's the summary. That's what it looks like. Here's a more interesting variation using the sort by customer, making this a detail report, and just showing the open orders. And here we have some more useful output in this case. Notice on the extended amount you'll see asterisks, and in this particular case the asterisk means that these were pricing overrides on the selling price, so the matrix was overridden for some reason. And here's the most useful variation of this particular report that I could find by selecting by product and sorting by product and doing detail. It's actually going to give us a report in a format that we can easily export into Excel and maybe do something with. Here's what the raw data would look like exported out of Eclipse in tab format with headings and brought into Excel. And here's the final result after I've done a quick sort and cleaned out the garbage, something in Excel format that you can actually make some use of. And this concludes our presentation on the product orders reports, and thankfully this is the last of the end of month report series, although I still have many more to go. Oh boy, this has been a long one. Anyway, this report is actually somewhat useful, so thank you for your attention. Hopefully you'll find use of it, or if not, just use the damn product sales report that I normally use. Anyway, as always, I'm not Scott Zahn.